Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy braid twisted hairstyle. To start, I've popped the hair into a side parting and I've just left a few pieces of hair out to frame the face. First of all, we're going to gather up the crown section of the hair and then just tie this together with a clear elastic band. Next, take all the hair from the right hand side from the ear upwards, bring this around to the back and secure it with another clear elastic band. And then just repeat this on the left hand side. So to give this style some texture, we're just going to flip these ponytails. So take your fingers and make a hole above the elastic band. Grab the ends of the ponytail and pull them through the hole. Then just repeat this on the other two ponytails. Add some texture spray all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. Then all we're going to do is pinch and pull at the twists and all over the top of the head just to create some more texture. To secure these twists, I'm just going to push the side ones up against the middle and secure them with a few bobby pins. Okay, we're going to do a Dutch braid but only incorporate hair from the bottom of the hairline. So take a chunk of hair on the left hand side and divide this into 3 equal parts, and we want this to go straight across the back of the head. So first of all, we're going to take the bottom section and just cross it under the middle section. Then take the top section and cross that under the middle section. Now we're going to take the bottom section, cross it under the middle section, but this time we're going to add a little bit of hair from the hairline. Then we're going to take the top section and cross it under the middle section without adding any hair. This doesn't have to be neat because we're pinching and pulling this braid apart. Keep on braiding until you run out of hair. Then just finish the style off in a 3-strand braid. So add some texture spray to your braid and really pinch and pull each loop to create some more texture. Now we're just going to secure that braid to the head by pushing it up to the head and slipping in a few bobby pins. Grab the tail ends of that braid and bring them over to the left hand side. Roll those ends under so you can't see them, and then just pin this to the left hand side of the head with as many bobby pins as needed. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.